everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Jalen, and today I am going to be showing you how to put on false lashes. These lashes are the strip lashes, but I can show you guys how to make them look like you got them done at the shop when you really didn't. These was only like $5, so I'm gonna put y'all on because I know my friends been asking me, a whole bunch of people been asking me, so I am going to show you today. First off, you need a pair of lashes. These I got from Shein. Y'all know Shein is popping right now, and they do have some really good lashes that I like a lot. And just get any pair of lashes. You can get them from Amazon, you can get them from Target, you can get them from CVS. You can get them for cheap. These type of lashes, you could sleep with them on, okay? You do not have to take them off. I'm showing you how to keep them on maybe 3 to 4 days. If you like really put them on correctly, you can have these on for like a week. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the easiest way I learned how to put them on. And it just honestly just takes time, okay, y'all? Like when you're getting ready to go to a party, getting ready to go to work, and you put on your makeup, just save a little extra time so you can practice on how to do them, because honestly, they're not that hard to put on if you just practice. So let me show you what you'll need. You'll need lashes, you will need scissors, and you will need a tweezer, okay? And then you will need your glue. Okay, so we have the lashes here, and I just take my tweezer and pick it off. If I can freaking do it. The tweezers work better than your hands. Like, get you some tweezers, okay? So, your first thing you're gonna do is measure your lashes to your eyes. So I'm gonna measure them. You can tell this is the front of the lash that goes in the inner corner of your eye. And this is the other side of the lashes that go on the outer corner of your eye. Okay, so here are my lashes. So what you're gonna do is cut them into 3 parts. I personally think 3 is good. I don't need this part. Usually, see this part at the end? You don't really need that part. So I'm gonna cut, so you see I'm gonna put 2 increments, cut. 2 increments, cut. Okay, so now we have 3 parts of 1 lash. So we're gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna do the other side. So you get your scissors, you cut off that little spiky part at the end because you don't need that. So cut of 2 increments, 1, 2. You're gonna cut, 1, 2. You're gonna cut. And then you have that 3rd piece. Okay, so now you're gonna get a part of your lash, the right lash, and I'm gonna do the outer corner first. So you get this, and you're gonna get your glue, and you're gonna put glue on the top portion of the lash. So not the bottom portion, the top portion of the lash. And make sure you get a good amount of glue. Just a good amount, you know, like that. Now, since you have your lashes that are glued, you're gonna glue your eyelids, okay? You're gonna put the lash glue on the bottom part of your lash. So not the top part. The bottom. So if you lift up like right here, the whole way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you, and then I'll show you. You see, I put it right on the lashes. You don't want to put it in your actual like eye socket, like that pink part. You just want to put it on your lashes on the bottom. And so then you're gonna do the other side as well. You want enough so it, you know, it holds. I usually wait about 5 to like 6 minutes. You don't want to put it after you put on the glue. It needs to like dry a little bit. So I would just go ahead and like do something else. They should be ready to go. to be put on. I lost the footage for the rest of the video, but I can just go ahead and tell you, because once you do everything and glue and cut, it's really easy just to put on. So you're just gonna put the lashes on the bottom portion of your actual eyelid, your actual eyelashes, and stick them on from the inner corner to the outer corner, or you can do the outer corner to the inner corner, whatever you feel comfortable with doing. And after you glue them on, this is how they look from the bottom. This is how they look from the top. Okay, y'all, this is what they look from afar. I'm obsessed with this method, and I hope you guys try it for beginners. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.